धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। मेरा विषय है अवैध रूप से चल रहे नाइट क्लब और हुक्का बार को बंद करने के संबंध में। महोदय, गोवा में एक नाइट क्लब में भीषण आग लगने से 25 लोगों की दर्दनाक मृत्यु होती है, जिसमें 4 विदेशी भी शामिल है। यह घटना बड़ी दुखद है, लेकिन इसे गोवा ही नहीं अन्य प्रदेशों में भी अवैध रूप से चलाए जा रहे।
Sir, yesterday was an International Human Rights and Animal Rights Day. Since the government has established its irrevocable evidence of how much they care for both humans and animals, I have to speak on behalf of the...
Please come to your question, supplementary,
sir,
please.
I should be... Otherwise, how will you know, sir? Yesterday was International
This is the big problem because I have to give lot of opportunity to other members now.
Please,
this is not the time to speak. You please come with your specific question, please.
So this is the question. Yesterday was International Animal Day, and we are not...
You put your supplementary, let the minister answer it.
Sir, the statement shows that the government has admitted to 59 major deficiencies on the national highway since 2019. Yet new highways and rail expansion is happening in these eco-sensitive zones. Also, sir, 1/3 of the identified black spots, high-speed traffic is allowed to travel through that, and as a result of which a lot of animals are dying. And now the forest and wildlife landscapes are left open to any kind of tourism and traffic as they want. Now, sir, parliamentary warning has been given. Sir,
Honourable member, please come to your question. What question you want to raise? Please.
This is because he made a statement the House should know.
The House is knowing because statement will be known by the House. You please come to the question, please.
Parliamentary warning has been given to the concerned ministry, yet the same agencies are being given contracts, those who have poor records of construction. So what is the government doing about blacklisting those fellows who have been earmarked and identified? What are you going to do about not allowing high-speed traffic through eco-sensitive zones? And what are you going to do about curtailing rail expansion into these
Honourable Minister
areas?
Srimati Renuka Chaudhary ji, your second supplementary, please.
Sir, ये कहने एक बात है और होता कुछ और. Now, the recent reports highlighted that the government, you brought an AI-based wildlife intrusion detective system to some forest area tracts, such as Northeast and other vulnerable zones. It's just 7% you have covered, just 7%. So what about the rest of the 95%, 93% track? And have you done any audit in the existing 7% to see how efficient it is? This AI business that you're doing, and what is the timeline that you're going to establish that even the humans haven't got the coverage so far as they have been proclaimed by the government. Only 2% has happened in 12 years. So I want to know what is the position in